IVM.
Namaskar. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi, and good to see you here, dear friend, on Begin the Journey. This seems to be a period of stagnation, yet of chaos. We have no plans which are working out as we had thought of. In fact, the world around us agrees that there can be said nothing of the tomorrow because we aren't even sure what's going to happen next hour. Well, in such times, it isn't a good place, a great place for the mind to be. Because the mind is continuously thinking, what do I do? Am I just going to be stuck in this? And for how long will I be stuck here? Now imagine, dear friend, amidst the chaos that the world is echoing that we are in, how will it be if we can see some movement for ourselves? Movement in a direction that you want. Now we can be in the midst of heavy traffic. And remember, even in the midst of heavy traffic, you probably are reading something, listening to something, doing something, having a conversation, doing anything which is moving you. Similarly, my friend, when you do that, when you read, when you speak, when you talk to someone, even during a traffic jam, when caught in a traffic jam, you say, you know what? I put that time to good use. Well, do you remember there used to be a time when we used to be caught in traffic jams? Absolutely caught in traffic jams. And what did we do? Well, some of us could have had conversations, listened to something, just simply have read something, allowed our mind to go away from the traffic jam and created something. At the end, when we would have reached some place, we would say, you know what? During the traffic jam, I thought of this. During the traffic jam, I read this, found this out. Similarly, in this situation, dear friend, I am inviting you. I have seen for myself, if I keep looking at myself as somebody who's caught in this chaos, caught in this stagnation of this chaos, then I don't feel good. On the other hand, if I create something in this period, there is movement for me. And in this period, if I create something for me during this stagnation, then I am happy. Then I have actually told myself, you know what? Amidst this chaos, I have made headway in the direction that I want to move. Dear friend, our life is going to be much longer than this chaos, than this stagnation of sorts. Even if it is longer than this stagnation, remember there will be other stagnation, there will be other chaos. But the discipline that I have given myself is that amidst any chaos, I will not give up on my dreams. The dreams that inspire me, the things that I wish to do in my life now. For me, namely, it is not only acting, I also look at how can I create more interesting conversations with people. So I have started over these years learning new stuff. So I just record some stuff, even in the midst of nothing, when nothing is happening. Today, early morning at 5 a.m., I have woken up. Yes, it's raining heavily. I can't go out for a walk, but at least I can go out into the world of my mind and go and record something. I can go and read something. I can go into the universe and listen to some amazing stuff that's happening. Dear friend, please understand, our life is not going to be determined by what things are around us, because then the remote of our life is with the outside world. We will just echo what others are saying. I couldn't do this because I am again and again inviting myself and you into a world of in spite. In spite of the lockdowns, in spite of the chaos, in spite of this jam that is happening in our mind, go for that which inspires you. Go and become that which really pulls you. Remember, each day is an opportunity for you to grow in the direction that you wish to grow. You are going to live your own life, my friend. So make it rich in spite, not because. And as you set out in that journey, you will find more people to seek help from, take support from, be inspired by. And I will tell you very, very clearly, you will then realize that if in the toughest of times you have been amazing, when times are fantastic, you will be extraordinary. You see, my son who's studying at Berkeley, he was there all alone during the complete lockdown. All his roommates, they had come back to India, but he chose to remain there. In that period, when he was completely isolated, I saw him grow as a human being. I saw him started doing things, cooking himself, cleaning up, actually being okay with staying alone and taking care of himself. His responsibility levels increased, and I'm very clear his own confidence in himself grew. This period, even that period, or the next period, will come the way they will come. But in spite of that, if you, I, and each of us can learn something and take away something into our life, I promise you, you will then look back on this period or any period as a period of richness. Each one of us goes through flux, my friend. There is no one who doesn't go through flux. But after the flux ends, the question is, how are you going to look back on that period? Therefore, in the midst of whatever you're dealing with and wherever you are, make an addition to your life. And you know what addition you want to make. Look out. Be that change person for yourself, because your life is worth much more than the perils, than the problems, than the complaints of this time. I, Ashish Vidyarthi, are inviting you. Go and create a difference in your life, because it is your life and nobody can value it more than you. Cheers to a rich day. Cheers to a rich life in spite of what life looks like. Thank you for walking with me on Begin the Journey, dear friend. I wish you love and best wishes as you grow. Grow, grow, because your dreams need to be fulfilled.
I hope you enjoyed that show. If you aren't following us on social media, please do. We're IVM Podcasts on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I'd like to thank the sponsor on the network this week, Credencia. Thank you so much for making this possible. On Cyrus Says, Cyrus was joined by actress Shreya Pilgaonkar to talk about her career in acting. On Begin the Journey, Ashish Vidyarthi lists down the modern concepts of friendship and how one can choose the right friend circle in life on Begin the Journey. On The Habit Coach, Ashton Doctor was joined by Aisha Bilamoria to talk about running and developing an athletic mentality. Farhad and Sunithra are joined by LGBTQ workplace advocate Suresh Ramdas to discuss the new normal in queer relationships on GBCD. On Tere Mere Raaste, Keshav Chaturvedi takes us to the riverbanks of Banaras and describes the soulful mornings to us. And finally, on the Positively Unlimited podcast, Chetna Chakravarti takes the fear out of the word responsibility. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
From uncensored and unfiltered chats with the who's who of the entertainment industry, I, Siddharth Kannan, bring you a very hardcore chat show called Candid Kannan. Tune in every Friday on the IVM Podcast app or wherever you get your podcasts.